Hello there and welcome to the first video in the Introduction to Python Basics series. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Python on your computer, as well as explaining why you might choose Python as your first coding language and how to start learning Python. So you might choose Python as your first coding language because the syntax is fairly easy for a beginner to understand and comprehend. Second of all, despite some of Python's simplicity, it is a very effective coding language, which is why it's so popular and a lot of programmers use it. So to get started learning Python, it's very helpful to have multiple resources that you can use. So for me, I used the Codecademy course online, and that's helped a lot. But I've also watched a lot of YouTube and Google helps a lot, and then you can also look on forums where other people have already had questions about things answered. So in this video, I'm primarily going to show you just how to install Python and open up the IDLE to start coding in Python. So you'll need to go to python.org and then go to their downloads, scroll down and select their latest release version, and then pick the platform here that fits your computer. For me, that's Windows 64-bit, and I chose the executable installer, but you could also do the zip file if you wanted to. So go ahead and click that and download it. Go to your downloads and follow the installation setup to get that installed. I have already got it installed, so I don't need to worry about that. And once you have it installed, you can go to your Windows start bar, type in Python, and click the IDLE Python that you see there. So it'll open up Python shell, and Python shell is essentially the console where all your error messages will be output and your code will be run. So to open up a new file, you can go up to File, New File, and it'll open up a text window. And this text window is where you'll be editing and typing in your code. So just an example real quick, I'm going to type in a really simple example. So x equals 5 and print x. So to run your code, you can come up to the Run tab and hit Run Module, and it will ask you to save it. And I'm going to go ahead and call it program. Yes, and it will run your code over here in the console. So that's going to conclude this video, guys. If you had any questions about Python or about this video, please leave those in the comments, and I'll try to keep up with those as much as I can. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.